Over 60, swollen joints and stiffness don't have to slow you down. These 6 collagen-rich foods can reduce swelling, strengthen your joints, and help you move freely again. Stay till the end because the last food works fastest to restore flexibility and ease pain naturally. Our first powerful ally in boosting collagen might surprise you: gelatin. While many of us fondly recall gelatin as a vibrant, jiggly dessert from our childhood, the unflavored pure form is actually a remarkably effective way to supply your body with the collagen it craves. Essentially, gelatin is cooked collagen derived from the connective tissues of animals, and it's a gold mine of 3 crucial amino acids: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which collectively constitute nearly 70% of the collagen found throughout your entire body. What truly makes gelatin a standout choice for older adults is its exceptional digestibility. Because it has already undergone a cooking process, its collagen chains are conveniently broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces, allowing for rapid absorption by your body, even if your digestive system or stomach acid isn't as robust as it once was. A compelling 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated this beautifully. Seniors who consistently incorporated just 10 grams of gelatin into their daily diet reported significant improvements within a mere 8 weeks. Their skin felt noticeably more hydrated, joint stiffness eased considerably, and calf muscles even appeared firmer. Beyond these visible changes, many participants also experienced enhanced balance and faster walking speeds, clearly illustrating that collagen's benefits extend far beyond just appearance. They are fundamental to our strength and mobility as we age. To unlock gelatin's full potential, seek out plain, unflavored varieties sourced from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork. You can easily stir it into warm water for a simple tonic, blend it into your morning tea or coffee, or even use it to craft homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and a touch of honey for a natural treat. It's crucial, however, to bypass the brightly colored, sugar-laden store-bought packets, as these often contain artificial dyes and sweeteners that can unfortunately counteract collagen's restorative effects. For anyone seeking a gentle yet impactful daily method to restore strength and flexibility, a small scoop of pure gelatin can truly be one of the simplest and most effective tools right in your own kitchen. Next on our list are small but mighty sardines. Often found modestly canned and perhaps overlooked by many, these oily fish are surprisingly one of the most potent foods for turbocharging your body's collagen production. The unique power of sardines comes from consuming the entire fish, including the skin, bones, and connective tissues, all of which are densely packed with both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen, in particular, plays a critical role in maintaining the strength and flexibility of your blood vessels, which are the tiny, intricate tubes responsible for delivering essential oxygen and nutrients to your legs and feet. When type 3 collagen begins to degrade, circulation inevitably slows, often leading to common complaints such as swelling, numbness, and those uncomfortable, sharp, tingling sensations in the lower legs that many older adults experience. A significant 2021 study featured in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted these benefits, revealing that older adults who ate sardines just 3 times a week significantly improved circulation in their legs by 19% and saw ankle swelling decrease by an impressive 27% in merely 10 weeks. These remarkable improvements were directly linked to elevated levels of collagen and elastin, both indispensable for keeping veins and arteries robust and pliable. To maximize these benefits, it's crucial to eat sardines complete with their skin and bones, as this is where the vast majority of their valuable collagen resides. You can easily incorporate them into your diet by placing them on whole grain toast, tossing them into a fresh, crisp salad with a squeeze of lemon, or stirring them into a flavorful tomato-based pasta sauce. If their distinct smell is a deterrent, a quick soak in lemon juice before eating can brighten their flavor and effectively diminish any fishiness. Always opt for sardines packed in olive oil, as its healthy fats contribute to stabilizing collagen, unlike soybean or sunflower oils, which can become rancid more quickly. Consuming sardines regularly not only actively helps restore your body's collagen, but also offers crucial support to your nervous system, potentially easing those disruptive nighttime leg cramps that can suddenly interrupt your sleep. Our journey continues with the vibrant and luscious papaya. While often enjoyed as a refreshing breakfast fruit, papaya harbors a remarkable secret weapon for supporting your body's collagen framework. This power stems from a unique enzyme known as papain. This incredible natural compound plays a vital role by breaking down stubborn protein bonds, thereby making essential amino acids far easier for your body to absorb and utilize. This function becomes especially crucial as we age, given that our digestive systems often become less efficient and our bodies may struggle to extract sufficient protein from food needed to effectively rebuild collagen. Papain essentially acts as a highly effective key, unlocking these valuable amino acids so your body can readily deploy them to repair and strengthen collagen in your skin, joints, and legs. A groundbreaking 2023 double-blind study featured in the journal Nutrients and Aging powerfully demonstrated these effects. Adults aged 60 to 78 who consumed fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks experienced astonishing improvements. Skin elasticity soared by 33%, visible wrinkles decreased by 21%, and perhaps most importantly, reports of leg discomfort dropped by 28%. To fully harness papaya's impressive benefits, it's crucial to consume it raw and fully ripe, ideally first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing allows the potent enzymes to perform their magic unhindered by other foods. You can simply slice and enjoy it plain, or blend it into a refreshing smoothie, perhaps with a squeeze of lime juice to further amplify its collagen-friendly activity. Be sure to avoid canned or cooked papaya, as heat sadly destroys papain and significantly diminishes its beneficial vitamin C content. While some might suggest mashing ripe papaya for topical application, remember that the true transformative magic of this fruit unfolds from within your body. When incorporated consistently into your diet, papaya can dramatically enhance both collagen production and circulation, leading not only to noticeable changes in the mirror, but also to a profound feeling of lightness and increased comfort on your feet throughout your day. Prepare to challenge what you thought you knew about our fourth collagen-boosting food, chicken skin. For countless years, many diligently peeled away and discarded chicken skin, mistakenly believing it to be an unhealthy indulgence. However, the scientific truth is revelatory. Chicken skin is actually one of nature's most abundant and potent sources of edible collagen. Its immense value lies in its remarkably high concentration of type 1 collagen, which happens to be the most prevalent form of collagen found throughout the human body. Type 1 collagen is the very essence of youthful skin firmness and robust joint strength. Crucially, it's also the type of collagen that unfortunately diminishes most rapidly after the age of 60, a key factor behind common age-related issues such as thinning skin, persistent leg swelling, and muscles that feel increasingly less steady. A compelling 2022 clinical trial meticulously published in Clinical Interventions in Aging demonstrated astounding results. Older adults who regularly consumed cooked chicken skin 3 times a week exhibited a remarkable 31% increase in type 1 collagen density within just 12 weeks. These participants also happily reported fewer instances of knee buckling, noticeably improved walking balance, and significantly reduced ankle swelling. Beyond its rich collagen content, chicken skin also generously provides elastin and glycosaminoglycans, powerful compounds that enable tissues to effectively retain vital moisture. This moisture retention translates directly into more cushioned, comfortable joints and significantly more hydrated skin, offering immense relief to anyone grappling with stiffness, tingling, or persistent soreness in their legs. The secret to maximizing these benefits lies in mindful preparation. Deep frying, unfortunately, generates harmful compounds that can actually degrade collagen and irritate joints. Instead, opt for baking or slow roasting the chicken skin at moderate temperatures. This method beautifully preserves the collagen's integrity and results in skin that is both soft and profoundly nourishing. Another excellent strategy is to create your own homemade chicken stock using skin-on chicken parts. As it gently simmers, the precious collagen naturally leaches into the broth, creating a wonderfully soothing liquid that nourishes your joints and skin from the inside out. For effortless convenience, you can even freeze portions into cubes and effortlessly incorporate them into your favorite soups or stews, delivering a quiet yet powerful collagen boost to your everyday meals. Holding a revered spot at the pinnacle of our list is collagen-rich bone broth, an age-old remedy that contemporary science is finally giving its due respect. When prepared correctly, bone broth stands as one of the most profoundly concentrated and easily absorbable sources of collagen available to us. Its immense power doesn't merely stem from the collagen itself, but rather from the comprehensive array of synergistic nutrients it generously provides. A truly well-made bone broth delivers a rich blend of type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen, accompanied by gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. These potent compounds collectively work in harmony to rebuild, deeply hydrate, and vigilantly protect the vital connective tissues throughout your entire body. A compelling 2021 clinical trial published in Geriatric Health and Nutrition meticulously tracked 110 adults over the age of 60 who embraced a daily regimen of 1 cup of bone broth. In a mere 8 weeks, participants excitedly reported astonishing improvements: 52% firmer skin, a remarkable 34% reduction in leg pain and cramping, and an impressive 48% increase in overall activity levels. Further objective evidence emerged from MRI scans, which revealed noticeably thicker collagen markers in both the knees and hips, while blood tests unequivocally confirmed stronger collagen markers. Those individuals who further complemented their bone broth intake with gentle walking experienced additional benefits, including improved balance and a significant reduction in foot numbness, clearly demonstrating that this incredible broth aids both structural integrity and crucial circulation. The most exceptional results are undeniably achieved with homemade broth. Begin by gently simmering grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses, ideally including joints and cartilage, in water with a small splash of apple cider vinegar. Allow this mixture to cook very gently for an extended period, typically 18 to 24 hours. The longer it simmers, the richer and more potent your broth will become. You'll know your bone broth is brimming with collagen if it transforms into a wonderful jelly-like consistency when refrigerated. Sip it warm, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning, or integrate it as a nutritious base for your favorite soups and stews. It's wise to avoid most store-bought versions, which often contain unnecessary additives, and ensure you don't boil your homemade broth too vigorously, as excessive heat can unfortunately damage its delicate amino acids. When properly prepared, bone broth truly functions as a powerful natural tonic, offering profound comfort to your joints, visibly strengthening your skin, and effectively giving your legs a revitalized second wind. Finally, we arrive at a food that has historically evoked strong opinions, but is an undeniable champion for collagen support: liver. For many, liver is a food either consciously avoided, simply overlooked, or associated with outdated dietary warnings from years past. Yet when the goal is robust collagen synthesis, liver emerges as one of the most remarkably potent foods you can consume, especially when sourced from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken. What sets liver apart is its incredibly dense and unique nutritional profile, boasting abundant supplies of vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. These 4 vital nutrients act as indispensable co-workers, forming the crucial support system your body absolutely requires to efficiently build new collagen. Without their presence, even an otherwise protein-rich diet may not adequately repair and maintain the intricate collagen network that underpins the strength of your skin, joints, blood vessels, and muscles. A compelling 2022 study published in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition demonstrated this power convincingly. Seniors who incorporated liver into their diet just once a week exhibited a phenomenal 143% higher markers of collagen activity in their blood compared to their counterparts who did not. These same individuals happily reported fewer issues with varicose veins, noticeable improvements in sagging skin, and reduced swelling around their knees and ankles. The researchers confidently concluded that that liver's unparalleled nutrient combination positions it as one of the most complete foods available for actively slowing down the inevitable breakdown of age-related tissues. If you're hesitant about liver's distinctive flavor, rest assured that you don't need a large quantity to make a profound difference. Begin with small, manageable portions. You can subtly blend a little cooked liver into hearty soups, flavorful stews, or even ground meat dishes. Alternatively, try thinly spreading liver pâté on whole grain toast, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon juice to beautifully cut through its richness. Remember, consistency in consumption far outweighs sheer quantity. A modest 1 to 2 ounces per week is genuinely sufficient to effectively jumpstart your body's collagen repair processes, particularly when strategically paired with a diet rich in vitamin C-packed fruits and vegetables. Many individuals enthusiastically report experiencing firmer skin, stronger legs, and significantly reduced swelling after just a few weeks of thoughtfully including liver in their regular dietary routine. If you find yourself over the age of 60 and wrestling with persistent swelling, uncomfortable stiffness, or that nagging, tingling sensation in your legs, it's highly probable that your body is simply crying out for more collagen. The 6 incredible foods we've explored today, gelatin, sardines, papaya, chicken skin, bone broth, and liver, are far more than just healthy additions to your diet. They represent some of the most profoundly effective and natural pathways to provide your joints, skin, and crucial circulation with the foundational support they may have been sorely lacking. Remember, the true secret to unlocking their full potential doesn't just lie in consuming these foods, but in meticulously preparing them correctly and consistently integrating them into your daily life. Adopting these small, intentional daily habits can yield profound, tangible relief, empowering you to move with newfound comfort, greater ease, and a much-deserved sense of confidence within your own body. Now, we're eager to hear directly from you, our wonderful community. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you already tried, or are you excited to incorporate? Have you personally noticed any positive changes in the way your legs or joints feel? Perhaps you have a cherished recipe or a unique preparation method for one of these foods that others might find delightful and beneficial. Please share your insights, experiences, and thoughts generously in the comments section below. We diligently read every single comment, and your personal story or tip could very well be the spark of inspiration someone else needs to embark on their own journey towards better health. Here's to embracing stronger, more flexible joints, cultivating healthier, more vibrant legs, and savoring more energy to truly enjoy every precious day. If this video has resonated with you and offered valuable information, we kindly ask that you take a moment to hit that like button, as your support genuinely helps our channel grow and reach more people seeking similar insights. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you're always informed about our future videos, packed with further empowering health knowledge. Your thoughts are invaluable to us, so please do drop a comment below and let us know what you think.